Going to show you soya 65 recipe.
Welcome to Cafe and Kitchen, the ultimate channel for making cafe-like food at home with the farm-fresh, convenient food that is available just around you. Just enjoy the show.
I'm going to show you soya 65 recipe. So for this I am taking dry soya chunks. So these chunks you will get in the supermarket. So for this I am adding water. So for this soya chunks I am adding water and let it soak for 10 minutes. So meanwhile we'll prepare batter for this. So for the batter I'm adding 3 spoons of all-purpose flour and 1 spoon of chili powder and 1 spoon of corn flour and a pinch of color, food color. So this is purely optional. If you want you can add, and 1 spoon of 65 masala. So this is I'm using Everest 65 masala, so you can use any 65 masala. And a pinch of salt to it and mix it well. So after you mix well, add a water. So just add little by little and mix nicely. So make a little thin paste. So mix nicely and make a thin paste of it. So for soya 65 this batter is ready. And now take this soaked soya chunks and take it out from the water and squeeze all the water out. Squeeze nicely and just add to this batter. So this is simple, you can prepare in 5 minutes and very protein food also for kids. So after that mix nicely with the batter. So just like thin coat is enough. So make sure the batter should coat nicely for the soya chunks. That's it. Just keep this marinated soya chunks aside for 10 minutes. So actually for chicken and all we should keep like 30 minutes like this, but for soya chunks 10 minutes is more than enough. Just close with the lid and keep aside for 10 minutes. So for seasoning I'm taking finely chopped onions, garlic and ginger and finely chopped curry leaf, soya sauce, red chili sauce and chili vinegar. Finely chopped onion, garlic, finely chopped ginger, curry leaf, soya sauce, red chili sauce, vinegar. So after 10 minutes of soaking, so I'm just heating the oil. So meanwhile I'm adding this chopped curry leaves for this. After 10 minutes of soaking, I added like chopped curry leaves to this, and oil is heated already. So just put it in oil. So fry until golden brownish color and take it on a plate. So for seasoning, I'm adding the curry leaves, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, for this I'm adding onion, fry until like golden color. So I have added onions as well. For this I'm adding a pinch of salt. So this garlic, ginger and onion fry nicely. For this I'm adding soya sauce. And chili vinegar I'm adding. Chili sauce, red chili sauce I'm adding. I have mixed like 1 spoon of corn flour with water, and I'm adding this. Just put it on high flame and cook until you get a thick consistency. Put it in high flame and cook until you will get thick consistency. See, now it came like little thick. So now you can add this soya chunks to this. See, after you boil for like 10 minutes, so it came like thick, juicy. So you can see the juicy thing. So you can turn off the flame now. Juicy soya 65 is ready. So for this we can have it with mayonnaise dip and this tandoori mayo, and as usual my favorite tomato ketchup. You can have like hot juicy soya 65 with tomato ketchup and with mayonnaise, with mayonnaise you can have it. And now with tandoori mayo, with this tandoori mayo, this soya 65 is so much nice.